Fortunately, today I have a cold and I feel like crap, so I took the day off work and I get to work on this. And hopefully my boss never sees this video because he's gonna be like, "You weren't that sick." And then I'll probably get fired for imitating him so perfectly. Got it all set up. You may notice there is no slack in these lines, and that's intentional because I learned from my mistakes. Sometimes. Also, I'm wearing sunglasses because I'll basically be staring into the sun as I fly this thing.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Well, looks like I won't be flying today. I keep getting an error that I haven't seen before. I have had GPS problems, but now I'm having compass problems, and it's probably because of all of the metal that this drone has on it, which is basically the entire thing is made out of metal. So I'm not surprised that I'm getting compass errors. I am just surprised that I haven't seen it before. So it's a bummer, but this kind of happens all the time. This is just part of the process of building something. But with the magic of YouTube, you don't have to wait. That's me who has to suffer through all of that. So let's go to that day now.
12 seconds later.
I actually just recalibrated the compasses and they seem happy now, so I'm going to at least do the arming test. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so the hope here is that it does not leave the ground. It should arm and it should stay where it is. We should be in position mode. Arming in 3, 2, 1. Pretty shaky. Actually, now it's looking better. Okay. All right, I'll take it. Well, that was successful, so maybe I'll loosen up the line a bit and try and get it off the ground. Well, I've worked through some errors. The first arming was good, and now I have 3 feet of slack in each of the lines. So I guess we're ready to try and fly it. And I'm really nervous because this is the first time I've actually given control of my drone over to itself, over to its sensors, instead of me flying it manually from my controller. So it's basically like flying a DJI. Arming in 3, 2, 1. Well, that was something. I don't really know what. I guess it flies. I can't explain that. I guess I'll have to look at some of those PIDs, the PID tuning. But that's for another day.
10 seconds later.
I'm gonna center it and fly one more time. Oh, it's so freaking heavy. Yeah. Okay. Time for round 2. Arming in 3, 2, 1. No. Well, I don't know why that happened.
One pair of pants later.
I broke a propeller. I thought these were indestructible. That is so far in the ground. Ugh, man. There's the other one. The frame might be a little bent. Yeah. Lost some ESCs there. All right, let's power off. Check that out. That's 1/4 inch thick steel plate right there. Motor seems fine though. That's crazy. These things are bulletproof. Okay, well, I've got some homework. All right, guys, so I recorded like a 20-minute video explaining what happened with the drone. And as I was editing that video, it was just so freaking boring, even for myself watching it. So I'm just not going to put it in the video. If you're curious, I'll put a description kind of like in the comments, I guess, just kind of explaining my take on what happened. But I guess I'll just say that the sensors worked, the tuning sucks, and the build quality of the drone sucks. So I'm ready to move on to bigger and better things. And I'm just going to rebuild this drone one more time and straight up just go balls to the wall with the throttle, which funny enough is actually an aviation term. You should look it up. And just launch it straight into the air and see how much weight it can lift. I'm really curious about that, and I'm sure you guys are too. I am also really excited to announce my Drone Builders Discord server, and I'm going to have it be opened up and free to the public. I want all of you guys to get on it, and it can be a place for the community to collaborate, show off your drone builds, ask questions to each other, and work through your own issues as you're building your drones. I just want to give a disclaimer that, and I guess an apology, that I suck at responding to comments. I do eventually get around to them, as you guys have noticed, but sometimes it takes me a little while. And that will probably carry over to the Discord server. I'll be on there, and I'm really excited to have it. But don't expect me to respond right away. This is just something that I've always been terrible at because I have some weird anxieties. And yeah, I guess I'll just leave it at that. So if you guys are as excited as me to see how much weight this thing can lift, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.